Hello friends, I hope all you are safe and healthy. Today I will show you how to make burglar alarm using NodeMCU ESP8266 and the PIR sensor. In my previous videos I make the project using Arduino, means I interface Arduino and PIR sensor, and I also explain the various application, and I also do some of these applications. So first of all, you check that video, and I give this video link in the description, so you can check this video. In this project we can remotely see there is a movement or not with the help of NodeMCU ESP8266, means with the help of the Wi-Fi. In this project we use some cloud platform, means Thingspeak and ifttt. The use of ifttt I use is when there is a movement, it mail me, means it automatically mail me that there is a movement or not. Let's see the parts required. NodeMCU ESP8266, PIR sensor, passive infrared sensor, some jumpers wire, red of the PIR connected to, means the VCC of PIR is connected to NodeMCU V in. Yellow wire of PIR sensor is connected to ground. It means the ground of PIR sensor is connected to ground of NodeMCU. Orange wire of PIR sensor is connected to D1, means the outpin of the PIR sensor is connected to D1 of NodeMCU. See, the connection part is over. Let's see the code. See, it is connected to the Wi-Fi. At this time there is no motion. See, there is no motion. When I place hand in front of the sensor, see, motion equals to 1. It means there is a motion. See, now we can see in Thingspeak. Now we see email. See, there is a mail. See, 0. In Thingspeak, it takes time. It takes 15 seconds to update the values. See, now the value is updated, and let's check in mail. See, the fresh mail is at 3:30. See, 3:30. When there is any movement, then it automatically mail me that there is a movement. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel. If you have any queries regarding to this project, then comment below, and after that I answer your comment. Always wear mask, follow social distancing, and stay safe.